here we go. Woo! So basically, I've been shopping. And as you can see from the thumbnail, I've got some treats for you peeps. And for myself, obviously. We got the vertical grip. We got the XT2. We got the 50. We got the 23. I think we might do a little bit of an unboxing video. How's that sound? Good? Good. Here we go. I'm not going to do a massive unboxing of everything. So I'm just going to literally open it up and just have a look at the cameras and the bits and bobs in it, and we'll see. Ooh. Yeah. Boom. It's nice. So that's that. Ooh. Didn't even know it came with that little flash unit for the top. Ooh. Manual's boring. Right, so let's move on to pop a battery in this. Vertical grip. Ooh. Oh, that's mild. Oh, that's so nice. Just that, it's got like a spring in there, not like the Canons. So it springs back. Nice. And then this just attaches to the bottom like that. Screws on. So hopefully, hey, working. To charge that battery up there. So now it's got a little bit of handle to it. Right, so that's that. Start with the 23. Oh, the 50. It's got a 50, I'm a bit more excited to see the 50. There's the body, there's a lens. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's smooth. That's so smooth. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, let's get that on properly. Let's turn this on. Wow. Oh, that shutter noise as well. It's 23mm time. Same again. Oh, right, okay. There's not much difference between the 23 and the 50 in size-wise. Pretty much the same. I think the 50's, like, if you can see it, the 50's a tiny bit bigger. But, oh, that focus is smooth. And again, really nice clicks on there. Just, it feels like it's vacuumed on. It just clicks into place, it's solid. How does this work then? Ah. Oh wow. Does that click on the, oh, then, oh, that's good. Clicks onto there as well. Let's do the test again. Focus test. But that's it, a new kit. That's pretty cool as well. So that's it, unboxed. So I've got the 23mm still on there. I'm really looking forward to having a play around now. As I said, I've had a play around in the shop. I want to go for it. I mean, this is fun to have a little play around and see what you get from this little flash. It's amazing. It doesn't have a battery in it, just connects straight up. I didn't know that was coming. And then obviously, because I'm a portrait photographer, this 50mm, which is equivalent to about 78, I think it is going to be beautiful. I mean, we'll see how that goes. I'll take some shots and then obviously update in a couple of weeks maybe. But the overall feel of the camera is solid. The buttons, I mean, just this section here is beautiful. It's just nice and clicky. Everything has I mean, I hate flip screens. I've always been I hate them, but then something about this one, I don't think I'll use it that much, but I've got a funny feeling maybe if I wanted to shoot from the waist, because I kind of bought this camera mainly for doing street stuff. I don't really have a camera that I use for street stuff, for going out and about with. I have the X Pro one, and I love that one, but it's just that tiny bit slow. But it's good for when I'm going on location or like going on holiday abroad or something like that, and I just want to focus on just slowing things down anyway. But this is it's good. I mean, with the grip on as well, it feels great with the grip. Got all the boost settings. Anyway, I know there's a lot of reviews out there already of this, so I don't want to go into too many technical reviews. It was just kind of my uptake on how it feels, how it is. And then what I'll do is I'll update maybe in a couple of weeks and see what the verdict is of it. I mean, aesthetically, beautiful. Performance-wise, we'll see. But I'm looking for a camera that'll kind of have the breach between the X Pro 1 and a Canon, and then judgment. I'll always still have my Hasselblad for doing portraiture, because there's just something about that. I want a camera that I feel comfortable using and I'm happy with, that I know can kind of still be a workhorse, but it's not going to slow me down too much, but then it's not going to put too much pressure on speed and accuracy and all that lot. I just want something that's in between the Canon and in between the Fuji. But anyway, that was a short review. I hope the unboxing was not too fast. I kind of felt like I was just going through it all, but there was a lot to get through, and I don't want to make these videos too long and tedious. Ciao.